Hi everyone, this is Mahin Rahman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular episode, my sister is with me because this is going to be a sisters episode, and I recently started a series that is two sisters, one mic, having fun and unfiltered conversations about life. So in this video, me and my sister are going to play a game. What is the name of the game?
Hi, first of all, my name is Masreen Rahman, and the game we're gonna play is called Would You Rather. It's one of my favorites, but first time playing with my own sister, so I guess it's gonna be really fun. I think we should get right into it.
Yes. So we are having a list of questions in front of us and we will be asking each other, you know,
Yeah.
the question. Okay. So first question it is, would you rather have unlimited money or unlimited free time?
I would say unlimited. Okay, I wanna ask something.
Okay.
If I like choose unlimited free time, can I make my own money?
No, either you have time or you have money.
Okay, I choose money.
She will choose money. You will choose money?
Yes, at least I
Gold
can.
digger?
Bro, at least I can live in luxury.
But you don't have time.
Okay, doesn't matter, bro.
But obviously you will be still living in luxury.
Yeah.
But you don't have time to relax.
Oh, it's fine, bro. I'm living in luxury.
Yeah, great, great, good. Okay. Now it's your turn.
Oh, you're not gonna tell them? You're not gonna tell them
What?
about your opinion on this?
No. My opinion on this thing is that I will go with the unlimited free time because I will be able to write then. I will be able to read books
No, you
then.
won't be.
Yes, I will be.
You won't have any money.
I don't need to buy a book. I will get it issued from a library. Use your brains.
Okay, bro. Okay. So, she's gonna get a copy from a library. That's great, Mahindi. That's great. For for my question, I would say, would you rather have the ability to fly or teleport? This is a serious one.
I would, man, it is very, like I want to fly. Like look at the birds in the sky, how beautifully they fly. And this is the writer Gerard Manley Hopkins who write about wind hover. Like it's very beautiful. Okay, he talks about the birds in the sky. Not actually talks about them. What पता नहीं क्या बोल रही हूँ ठीक है so I would love to fly but and I also like this teleport thing.
It doesn't matter. You can just fly to the places you want to be.
But it will take time na.
Yeah. So what do you want to choose?
I would say I want to teleport. इतना कौन मेहनत करेगा उड़ने में. मेरे को स्विट्जरलैंड जाने का रहेगा, मेरे को फ्रांस जाने का रहेगा. मैं एकदम टेलीपोर्ट होके गायब हो जाऊंगी. सबसे पहले मैं केरला जाऊंगी. मुझे घर वाले कहीं नहीं जाने.
So for myself, it's the same, but because of like logical reasons. Let's just say you're a human, and you are flying. Okay, you will have birds who will like literally like, I don't know, like they will bite you when you're flying. You can fall. There are like these big what do you call them, like those big वाले जो खड़े होते हैं, Eiffel towers. Eiffel towers को क्या बोलते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट वाले.
हाँ वही बिजली के.
Yeah. You have बिजली के खंबे, and you never know when you might die, or like oxygen भी खत्म हो सकते हैं. I'm taking this too seriously. So I would choose teleport.
My turn. Okay. Would you rather give up social media or movies and series? Either choose social media or choose movies and series.
Okay, does YouTube count in like series and stuff?
No. Yeah, okay. Let's give you this relaxation. YouTube comes in movies and series for now.
Okay, yes, YouTube. I need, yeah, YouTube for sure.
YouTube, Paglu.
Yeah, YouTube.
Okay, now it's done.
Okay, my turn. Would you rather be able to pause time or to rewind it?
वो जैसा मूवी में होता है वो ऐसे पॉज
हाँ.
करता है और फिर वो सारे रुक जाते हैं एंड द ओनली पर्सन मूव्स इज द हीरो.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah, revive. I don't want to revive time. Like, क्या करेंगे ऐसे पुराना बेकार टाइम लाकर, फजूल. रिवाइंड टाइम मीन्स लाइक आई कैन लाइक गो इन द पास्ट.
नो, रिवाइंड टाइम मीन्स तुम एक टाइम को पीछे कर सकते हो जितना मर्जी तुम चाहो.
नहीं भाई, इसको जाने दो, जितना चल रहा है उतना चलने दो. आई वुड लव टू पॉज टाइम फॉर अ लिटल लाइक एंड विल हैव दैट मोमेंट, हीरो मोमेंट.
इनके हीरो मोमेंट के चक्कर में इन्होंने लॉजिक को पीछे छोड़ दिया. अगर आप रिवाइंड टाइम करोगे
एस्थेटिक्स ओवर रेशनैलिटी.
नहीं, अगर रिवाइंड टाइम करोगे ना तो पता क्या होगा. व्हाट यू विल हैव इज दैट यू कैन जस्ट गो इन द पास्ट एंड यू कैन जस्ट लाइक गो इन द पास्ट एज इन लाइक लेट्स जस्ट से you are in a shop and some thugs come in and they're like doing some stuff like by the way idea from that one movie Flying Jet जिसमें वो like rewind like time थोड़ा सा जल्दी भाग के rewind time करके उनको खुद ही मार
मेरे को
देता है.
नहीं बनना सुपर हीरो, मेरे को हीरो बनने का है.
हाँ, सुपर हीरो इज बेटर देन हीरो.
Whatever.